A photo purportedly showing part of the F8 Pro's box has been leaked, and as you can see it advertises Bose sound. The POCO F8 Pro are to be rebadged versions of the Redmi K90. The POCO F8 Pro will be offered in white, black, aqua blue, and light purple color. POCO F8 Pro grabs NBTC approval. The POCO F8 Pro sports the same TCL M10 screen as the Xiaomi 17 series. It's a 6.59-inch 2K LTPO display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 3500 nits of peak brightness. The flat panel also has 2560Hz PWM dimming and HDR10+ and Dolby Vision support, and a 3D ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner. The POCO F8 Pro's turn to run Geekbench, and this has confirmed that it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite with Adreno 830 GPU, LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.1 storage. The POCO F8 Pro camera setup packs a 50MP Lighthunter 800 main camera, an 8MP ultrawide, and a 50MP 2.5x telephoto periscope lens on the rear. A 20MP camera for selfies. The POCO F8 Pro will pack a 6210 mAh battery with 100W wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.